One of the tools we use at the BYU preschool as teachers to teach our students the social and emotional development they need, we use the Shubert books, which is a collection written by Dr. Becky Bailey to help give students the tools and the voices they need in order to be able to thrive socially and emotionally. One of the first books I'd like to highlight is Schubert's Big Voice. In this book, Shubert is bullied by Big Benny, and he has to use his big voice in order to tell Big Benny that he doesn't like it when he bullies him and that he needs to give his toys back to him when he steals them. And one of the tools we use to help students be able to remember the stories in these books is we teach them the songs that Shubert sings at the very end of the book. And in this book, the song he sings is, "Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day. Hooray, hooray, I'm on my way. Stop, I don't like it, are powerful words to say. It's magic I can use every day." So as we sing these songs with these kids, it helps remind them that they can use their big voice and that has power to be able to help students be able to overcome being the victim or also becoming the bully.